This is a simple demonstration of the Scuttle robot with a SICK Lidar. I think this is the TIM 561 Lidar from the SICK company. And we've downsampled from 810 samples to just about 50. And what it's doing is taking a full array 15 times a second and then about 10 times a second. We're requesting that array and we're grabbing about 50 of the vectors, and then we're finding the closest vector in proximity to the LiDAR. And the angle offset is inverted from the image to the chart because the theta parameter is along the x-axis. So a positive theta is actually to the left and a negative theta is to the right. And you should be able to see that if I keep a constant theta, then you will just see mainly the distance value increasing and decreasing. And the range is nearly to the full range of the LiDAR, which is plus and minus 135 degrees.